Nelson Mandela, the global thought leader and South African president, once said, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." His words still hold relevance, especially in countries that struggle to provide basic education to their students. In such countries, students have to brave socio-economic circumstances to get basic education and strive to bring about a change. Imagine the challenge that such students have to face when a natural calamity reduces their school to a heap of rubble. Such was the situation of the schools, which were located in the remote and hilly villages in the district of Rudraprayag, when on 16th June 2013, the state of Uttarakhand in India experienced incessant rains, coupled with cloudbursts and orchestrated unexpected floods that swept the region, resulting in enormous destruction of landscape, washing away many villages and loss of several thousand lives. Following the disaster, many voluntary organizations came forward to assist in the long-term relief and rehabilitation of the state. Rotarians from all over India were eager to help and poured in their generous contributions for the rehabilitation and reconstruction of these remote schools. Rotary India was one organization which was at the forefront of the relief work, and it undertook a task to rebuild 32 schools in the hilly and remote areas of Rudraprayag, the gateway to the holy shrines of Kedarnath and Badrinath. The task was extremely challenging. To reach the site of the first school to be built comprised of an arduous journey that entailed travel on the highway and then on link roads and finally on foot. The task was difficult and the terrain even more challenging. From the transportation of the construction material in the hills to arranging for labor, garnering local support to braving the difficult weather conditions, Rotarians took all the challenges head-on. And kept moving inch by inch towards their mission of providing new and safe school buildings to thousands of children. After 11 months of hard work, on the 14th of November 2014, which is celebrated as Children's Day in India, Rotarians could finally build and deliver 3 school buildings that were superior in every sense and strong enough to withstand the harsh weather and earthquakes that the region frequently experiences.
I am extremely happy that we Rotarians in Dehradun and District 300 have been associated with this wonderful, wonderful project, a gift to humanity and a gift to the world.
The new school buildings were designed to be friendly for the physically challenged, provided with a veranda, adequate and separate toilets for boys and girls, airy and well-lit classrooms. Each school was provided with desks and benches so that the students no longer have to sit on the floor.
हमारे जो कमरे रूम हुआ करते थे जहाँ बच्चे बैठते थे वहाँ लेंटर गिरने का भी डर था, प्लस उसमें बारिश का पानी भी टपकता रहता था। तो हमको एक डर ये भी लगता था कि कब बच्चों के ऊपर लेंटर ना गिर जाए, लेकिन हमारे पास कोई व्यवस्था भी नहीं थी। हम जो बच्चा दिल चुराता था स्कूल आने में, आज वो झूले और फर्नीचर को देख के इतना खुशी से आता है, स्कूल के टाइम से पहले ही चाहता है कि मैं स्कूल जाऊं।
Having learned from the experience of building the first lot of 3 schools, Rotary was ready to hand over another 14 school buildings spread across the remote locations of Rudraprayag. On 9th October 2015, these 14 school buildings were handed over to their respective school management committees by the then Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, Shri Harish Rawat, who was extremely generous in expressing his appreciation for the work that Rotary was doing in rebuilding these schools.
हम दुनिया के लोगों को धन्यवाद देना चाहते हैं, जिसमें रोटरी इंटरनेशनल भी सम्मिलित है। हमारी दर्द में भागीदार बनने के लिए आए, हमारे घावों को सहलाने के लिए, उस पर मरहम लगाने के लिए आए, और हमारी विकास की यात्रा में इन जख्मों को भरने की जो यात्रा थी उसमें सहभागी बने। मैं सारे उत्तराखंड की तरफ से, अपनी सरकार की तरफ से रोटरी इंटरनेशनल को उनके पास प्रेसिडेंट के माध्यम से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ।
Many Rotarians and their spouses undertook the arduous journey of over 14 hours to be present on this occasion. Past RI President Raja Sabu and Usha Sabu, despite the challenges of a long and difficult hill journey, were present along with other Rotarians, including the then District Governor David Hilton and his spouse Patricia Hilton.
Money is easy to give, but it is difficult when you see this place, how the place has been visited time and time again by the Rotarians. And I would like to particularly refer to past RI Director YP Das and past District Governor Prem Bhalla and the team of Rotarians from Dehradun who have visited the place despite the challenges, the hurdles, the potholes on the roads, and covered the area. And today Rotary stands as a gift to the society here. I feel proud to be a Rotarian.
Shaila Rani Rawat, the MLA of the region, a great supporter and fan of Rotary, was also present on this occasion.
बहुत सारे लोग आए, मदद करी। जितनी अच्छी मदद रोटरियन के लोगों ने करी, हमारी इन स्कूलों में उन्होंने जो जीवंत आत्मा का जो प्रवेश दिया, कितने मन से, कितने मनोभाव से उन्होंने हम इन स्कूलों को संवारा, सजाया, उसके लिए हम बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देते हैं।
Village folk from near and far, who probably walked several hours to be at this event, were present in large numbers in their traditional, colourful attire. The appreciation and gratitude for the Rotarians from India was evident in the comments made by the District Magistrate of Rudraprayag, Sri Raghav Langar, who commented that over 500 NGOs came to Rudraprayag soon after the calamity in June 2013. Everyone left. Only Rotary continued to fulfill their promise to rebuild the area. On 22nd February 2016, another 8 schools were handed over by the Rotary International President nominee Ian Risley and his spouse Juliet. They were accompanied by several Rotarians who undertook the long and grueling journey for the handing over function. Rotary International President Ian Risley was full of praise for the work done by Rotarians in India in this remote location. On 18th January 2017, the final batch of 7 schools were handed over by Patricia Hilton, Association Vice President of the Association of Inner Wheel Clubs in India. With the handing over of these 7 schools, Rotary has demonstrated that despite all the challenges, Rotarians never failed the students of these schools and have fulfilled their promise of providing a better educational infrastructure so that they can study and get ready to write India's destiny tomorrow. The schools constructed by Rotary have already withstood a test of the Mother Nature very recently. An earthquake of the magnitude of 5.8 on the Richter scale struck the district of Rudraprayag on the night of 6th February 2017. The tremors were felt as far as Delhi. The epicenter of the earthquake was in Ukhimat in Rudraprayag, where Rotary has built one school. None of the schools built by Rotary suffered any damage by the earthquake. Rotary will always look back with satisfaction for having completed a project that at one point of time seemed impossible to accomplish. The credit for the successful completion of this challenging task goes to the combined effort of a dedicated team that comprised of the young site engineers Manish Trivedi and Arvind Kumar and the local contractors Harihar Rawat and Vinod Kumar, along with their advisors, past RI Director YP Das, past District Governor Prem Bhalla and past President Sangeet Sharma.
I thought that it will not be possible to get through with this project. But then I suddenly felt a strange feeling that there is nothing that cannot be done. And there was a strange force which was compelling us to go ahead with it.
It's been a great experience in Rotary, working in remote villages of Uttrakhand, building schools. It was tough, but it was enjoyable. I'm thankful to Rotary for allowing me to do this job.
Rotary has left no stone unturned in fulfilling its promise of doing good in this world and making a difference in the lives of these students. These students once again have their eyes filled with dreams and hearts with aspirations.
It is indeed a matter of great pride for every Rotarian in India, for Rotarians throughout the world, for the good work that Rotary has done to rehabilitate the citizens and the people of Uttarakhand. I am extremely thankful to all of those who have contributed significantly in their own way in making this dream a reality.
They are the leaders of tomorrow, and Rotary promises to be with them at every step of their way for a better future, for a better nation. From the children, parents and teachers of these schools, thank you, Rotary.